I'd like to call the Site Plan Review Committee to order for Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. Roll call, please.
President Kardasky.
Here.
Dennis Persick. Dale Quinn.
Here.
Dan Pamprin. Carrie Rathburn.
Here.
Gary Paul.
Okay, please stand for the pledge. And please remember our men and women throughout the world in uniform. I have no changes to the agenda. We need a motion to approve. Motion and a second to approve the agenda as presented. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Number 5, action on the minutes from April 21, 2026 Site Plan Review Meeting.
Move to approve.
We have a motion and a second to approve those minutes. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Number 6, items for discussion and possible action. 6A, consider, discuss, act on a site plan review request for a new maintenance garage for the Cypress Apartments at 1572 West Main Avenue, parcel VA-859. Aaron.
All right, thank you. I just need to share my screen, a little bit late logging in.
Struggled a little bit today, had a really big lead after day one, and is shaping up to be a really good one.
All right, there we go.
Gary, Aaron, really quickly, Gary, can you mute yourself? We have some background noise that's coming in from your
Very
computer.
good.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. So the request from the Site Plan Review Committee is from Abacus Architects. As the applicant for Property Owner Alliance Management, they're requesting site plan review for the addition of a 1,024 square foot maintenance garage on the north end of the existing apartment building or an under construction building right now, as indicated in the site plan that you see right here. So it would be attached to the existing building. Along with that, we have a driveway apron and 2 parking stalls. These are all accessed via internal driveway in the apartment complex. In terms of exterior materials, it is consistent with the same style as the apartment buildings with a board and batten LP Smart Side type siding. Again, consistent with the existing apartment building. In terms of floor plan, layout, everything meets village dimensional standards, and it is certainly a permitted use in this zoning district. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. I did not have any staff conditions, I don't believe. Forgot to print that. Any questions? I'm happy to answer them.
I have none.
Anybody have any questions?
No.
I have none. Does anybody? Dan make the motion to approve?
To approve, and there are no conditions, as I understand?
That's correct.
Okay, move to approve.
Okay, so there's a motion and a second to approve as presented. Any other questions, concerns? Hearing none, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried. Number 7, items for next agenda.
Nothing yet, so we'll be in touch if the meeting gets canceled.
Okay, I need a motion to adjourn.
I'll make a motion.
Motion and a second to adjourn. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed? Motion carried. Thank you.